everyone, it's Lisa here. Now, this week's Bitcoin update has been brought to you by The Price is Right. That's a bit like what Bitcoin's been doing all week. So while Bitcoin's been waiting for me while I've had COVID, if we just jump into the screens and we have a look. So we've got this absolutely revolting price action where we've gone down, we've gone up, then all of a sudden we've gone over the cliff. We've gone back up yesterday and we quickly went over that cliff. We went up again, we come back down again overnight, and we're up at this resistance again. So basically this pattern, so if we've got 5 waves here, and with this very, very truncated 5th wave. So we've then got a W wave coming up for the X. So this wave can have several different patterns. So if we go for an ABC, we've got that at the moment. So ABC. So that makes that like complete, and then we're in an impulse wave. Or we could be in an ABCDE. So A, B, C, D, and an E coming back down here. And after that E wave, we then go up for like an impulse, and that should break this region. So a breakout above this this area here makes this a C wave and potentially a breakout zone. So we've got 2 resistances coming up, the one that we're at now and that we're currently rejecting from. The next resistance above that is 43,000. So that's a major resistance that we will more than likely pull back from. So that can still make this a D wave, coming back down for this E wave on this Y pattern, and then a continuation up. So if we have a look at the Elliott wave pattern here, so this is our WXY. So basically we've got the ABC and ABC up here, another wave coming down, and we're in this ABC or ABCDE pattern in this 333. So that's essentially what we're looking at the moment. So when we go to the breakdown, hang on, let me find my breakdown. So this is a pattern, the bullish scenario that we've been trading. So if we zoom in, we can see that we're filling out this triangle. So if you were with me last week, I did say that we were going to fill out this triangle a little bit more, which we've been doing. Potentially, we still have one more wave lower. So that lower wave, if we hold this triangle, comes down to about 38,500, 38,600 sort of area. And then potentially we should break out from there. So, and then our next resistance is at 43 mark, which is also this resistance here. And then we've got that block order resistance region, which is around the 45. So if we can break the 43, the next resistance above that is 45. So we've got sort of this wave movement here at the moment. So if we can break this region immediately, then we're going to retest 43. So when we go to the close up on this chart, so if we break this resistance here, which is where we're at right at this point of time, we go to the 43 mark. If we can break that, we're going up to that 45, 46. So, and that's our channel as well within that region. So you can see that there's a couple of key factors here with trading this region. So we've got a channel, we've got the block order zone, helps if I have the right chart. We've got the this block order zone here, which is a strong resistance zone. If you are, support resistance trader, you would flip your trade at this point. If you are a support resistance trader, there's been some very good supports and very good resistance points this last week to be, flipping those trades. So essentially, we're nearly completed this wave pattern and we should have a decision. There's still a pattern, obviously, that can go bearish. I don't think with market sentiment that we're going to get that pattern. It is a possibility. Obviously, it breaks down. If we break down at this 38 region, then our next support is around that 35, sort of 600-ish region down here. But that's not the probability at the moment. So this wave pattern that we have on the Elliott wave pattern with the 333. Now, this is the most likely pattern. It's moving perfectly to this pattern right at the moment. So, and we've got a full moon in 1 day's time. So full moon is tomorrow, and we should be seeing some movement happening. So all of the alts as well are on those support regions. So we can see that on this chart, we're still trading within this region. By the end of the month, I think we're going to be seeing up around 53. So when you have a look at my video, go back through my tweets and you can see the video where I went to Imaginaria, and the AI bot said that we're going to be up around 53 on the 1st of April. Now, that's entirely possible because that is the median line on this pitchfork. So let's see if he's right. And yeah, again, so be super careful in the market. Could be going down to about 38,600 if we do get an E wave. I do always recommend buying the C wave because you don't always get the E wave. But yeah, watching this area really carefully at the moment for a breakout of that 43 zone. Next resistance is 45. So that's kind of what we're looking at the moment, guys. So thank you so much for joining me again, and I will see you next week on the Wednesday. So it's only a Thursday today because I've had COVID the last week and a bit. So starting to feel a lot better. So thanks for watching. Bye.
Be strong.